I'm here today to help you understand why your digital TV or set-top box may not be receiving certain channels coming from the digital broadcasters. This is due to the fact that the new programs are generally set as MPEG-4. These TV channels will only be able to be received if you have a new set-top box or a new TV that is MPEG-4 compliant. So if your TV or digital set-top box is not MPEG-4 compliant, you can either change your television set or digital set-top box or contact a Jim's Antenna representative on 131 546 and they will assist you in any way, shape or form. We hope today's tips and advice have helped you. Have a great day.